All right, you guys, it's a gorgeous day here in Crescent City. Myrtle is out, free at last. Let's go for a trike ride. All right, you guys, I'm out here braving the streets of Crescent City and going on a trike ride. My first trike ride really since the start of the pandemic, the coronavirus. And at first, I did this because I noticed when I was walking in Bermuda Dunes that the cyclists could not keep 6 feet distance from me as I was walking. They were able to keep 6 feet from each other, but they could not keep 6 feet from anyone they were passing. And it was at that point I just said, you know what? It's not worth it. Just put the trike away and get it out when it's safe. Like everybody, our lives have just been put on hold. And since I've been in Crescent City, it's been really important to me that I make sure that I'm safe, that I'm healthy, that I did not bring the virus with me into this new home. You know, it is not recommended to move in with family or friends or anything. The idea is that we hunker down wherever we are and we just stay put. But where I was in Bermuda Dunes, although I really enjoyed my stay in Bermuda Dunes, and for the time that I was there, it was perfect. It was getting to be too hot. Temperatures there at the moment are 107 degrees, and my travel trailer is about 10 degrees warmer inside than it is outside. So it was just impossible, and I knew I had to find another spot, and I have found a great spot in Crescent City, living with my sister in a boarding house. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. Here, it's an absolutely gorgeous day. I'm on a bike trail here. And it's been over 2 weeks now since I've arrived in Crescent City, and I am very healthy and felt like, you know what, it's a gorgeous day. I'm gonna try and see how it feels to be out here on the trike, and so far it feels great. A lot of gulls here. I think they're looking for food. You can see the fog starting to come in. A lot of fishing boats probably getting ready to go out. Got a bunch of crab pots. Ready to go out in the water. It's Dungeness crab season. So this is South Beach. The waves today are supposed to be bigger, but they don't seem to be materializing. They were supposed to be 5 to 7 feet today. All right, let's go check on the sea lions. The wind is picking up, the fog is rolling in, it's starting to get cooler, and so I'm gonna take this ride on home. But I have to say this has been a fantastic first day out riding around Crescent City. I really didn't go very far, but there's a lot to see within a short distance. But mostly I'm just really excited. I felt safe. I felt like I was able to keep my distance. There just aren't very many people out and about in Crescent City. And so unlike the time that I spent in Bermuda Dunes and Palm Springs, where I did not feel like I was able to keep 6 foot distance, and I could see that cyclists were not able to keep a 6 foot distance, I feel like I can here in Crescent City, and I'm wearing a buff. So if I need to, I can cover up really quickly. And I'm excited because there's just so much to see here. So many beautiful, beautiful places. The redwood forests, lots of coastline. Crescent City is actually on the Pacific bike route. And so I can go as far as I want, north and south. And I know that it is a bona fide bike path, cycling path. And I'm back here at the house, and it's just been so great. This move has been really a godsend. Here's Beastie. I'm going to put the trike away again. But what's really nice too is if I find like I want to go a little bit further than riding distance, I can drive. And there's plenty of places to ride within a half an hour, wherever I want to go. But it's really great, and so I'm excited. I'll be able to do more trike rides, and it just always feels good to be out on the trike. So, all right, you guys, I hope you stay safe, stay healthy, and as always, thank you for watching.